This is just a little storage catch-all out here, and I came to get a waterer, and in the very back corner was that Easter egger and my rooster. Up to no good, I'm sure. Y'all better behave. You know you're not supposed to be hiding in here. Somebody will get the idea to start laying eggs in there. I can't get them. You're being a bad influence, Roscoe. Yeah, come on out. Y'all don't need to be in there. There's a weed killer and probably snakes. There's probably snakes in there. They'll eat you up. You're little. I know. You forget sometimes. Gotta get this basket. Put it over. Tucker, that's enough. I'm not sure. Oh, their internet people are in the yard. Checking things out. I'll let you go till he quits barking. Have a good one.